It's time, it's time.
It's time. It's time, Uncle Bruce. It's time. It's time. What?
It's about time. Is it about time?
Mother Nature, get up there. Are you really Father Time?
Time will tell.
This is very exciting. The Father Time. A great honor. And who is this with you?
This is my wife, Mother Nature.
And who else?
Our little Mother Nature.
Wow. The ultimate power couple. Please tell me, what exactly is time?
Time is what keeps everything from happening all at once.
Why every 4 years do you have a leap year?
One day I crossed a kangaroo with a calendar and got a leap year.
It also helps him leaping to conclusions.
Leap year is the hardest time to catch a frog.
Why do people go to bed at night? Because the bed won't come to you.
Mother Nature, what's your favorite season?
I love gardening, so I love spring. Do you know a weed is merely a plant in the wrong place?
I love summer. It has swimming, beaches, and ice cream.
Mother Nature, what's the worst thing about your job?
The worst? People think they can get away with polluting the planet. But it's not nice to fool Mother Nature.
It's not nice to fool with Mother Nature.
Well, time flies. We have to go.
Let's hear it for Mother Nature, Father Time, and little Mother Nature. Let's have a bow. Let's have a bow.